The following program is rated G. It is suitable for all audiences.
It's not easy to be a new teacher in school, learning about new experiences and surroundings, as well as teachers and pupils with whom I will never met. Let me begin by saying that I feel that teaching is the noblest professor in the world. It suffices to state that only education can protect society and individuals against potential collapses, whether violent or gradual. Of course, education is pricey, but it is considerably less expensive than the alternative ignorance. It has been both fascinating and demanding.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hi, good morning. You're the new teacher here? Yes, ma'am. I am a new teacher here. So, medyo kinakabahan ko kasi ito yung mga tala si Johnny. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin ang tuturo dito. So, feeling niya na kinakabahan ka ngayon. Kasi nung una, ganyan din ako. Pero habang tumatagal, hindi kinakabahan. Thank you so much, ma'am. Arian Dindeloy, nga po pala. So, I hope na hindi ko pa kasi alam kung saan yung pa-career dito. Kung pwede na po sana ako sa mga. Sige, samahan kita dito. Thank you. Ma'am, dito na po pala yung sakot ko, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sige po, ma'am. Salamat. Naiwan na kita kasi may gagawin. Sige, ma'am. Thank you so much. You're welcome, ma'am.
Teacher Arian was a new teacher on that school, new environment, new good teachers, new students, and new attitudes of different students she's going to encounter as she was able to stop on that university.
Do you think it's that wrong?
I know you know.
This is the center of the business part.
Yes, sir!
Okay, first we will see our meeting term. Let's welcome Ms. Rayan Beloya for your new advisor for this class.
This time for anything else, I just want to prepare yourself for introducing yourself first. So, yes, can you introduce yourself? So, I hope na makakaintindihan siya para sa ating klase. So, this guy, I just want to present ako yung rules and regulations of this class. So, first, dapat dapat malapit sa mga maliit before sa atas pagkakasarapan ng student na that's all for this morning class. Thank you and goodbye.
After 3 months.
Kapatid, ko na muna bahala mag-klase sa mga pupunta na ako ng school maaga na. Malilate na kasi ako. Ate, kailangan natin yung bayad ng bill eh. Tapos sa kuryente. Pagkatapos ng buwan, mapuputo na ito tayo. Bakit? Nandiyan na ba? Bakit naman ang bayarin natin?
Anak, pasensya ka na ha. May sa ka na dahil hindi ka na mag-uwi.
At saka yung maintenance ni tatay. Kailangan na natin. Sige. Alam mo na bahala ka tatay yan. Naalis na ako, pupunta mo na ako ng school. Tapos pag itago mo to, ibigay mo sa akin. Talagaan mo na mabuti ang tay. Ngayon ba, ma'am? Hindi ko ba alam? Na may paper na pumasok dito sa loob, pero ang ingay-ingay pa rin.
Mami, hindi ka pala dito? Ang pagkakamay ko!
Ikaw, siyempre ba, di ba may nakita na kayo na may paper dito sa harapan? Tapos ikaw, mister, di ba ikaw yung mga estudyante na nalik? Tapos ikaw yung pumunta ko ng papel?
Ha? Bakit ba ako sa lalaki mo?
Kasi ikaw yung nakita ko, ipaginapat ko ng papel. Please stand up.
Ayoko ba?
Stand up.
Ayoko ba?
Alam mo ba, may paper na dito sa harapan, pero ikaw, wala ka. Kayo, paano pinabibigyo? Ano ba ang nyo para mag-viral? Wala! Tako niya, itapag-tapag niya mas sa lalo nyo! Ikaw, naroon may oral na disiplina. Dadalhin niyo sa prison! Labas kayong lahat!
Halika, sumama ka sa akin. Sumama ka sa principal's office. Doon tayo mag-uusap. Kasi yung mga ginagawa mo yan sa akin, paulit-ulit mo na lang ginagawa sa klase ko, paulit-ulit mo na lang akong pinapahiya sa klase ko. Alam mo ba na hindi tama yung ginagawa mo? Pinalaki ka ba ng mga magulang mo doon sa inyong bahay? Ganyan ba ang itinuro sa'yo? Sumama ka sa akin. Magpaliwanag ka din sa office. Doon tayo mag-usap.
Ma'am, good morning po, ma'am. Meron lang ako concern. Kita na po yung video ko.
At the principal's office.
In the principal's office, Miss Ariane met with the principal and the parents of her student. They argued about the problem, and the video trend exhibited on the campus served as evidence for their parents' being. Because of wrong actions of teacher for disciplining students by forcing it to go to the guidance office and by voicing inappropriate words due to her built-up emotions as she was not aware of her behavior. That's why the teacher was suspended for 5 months and the principal's punishment for her. This is all about the Article 12 disciplinary action. Section 1. Any violation of any provision of the code shall be sufficient ground that the position against the erring teacher of disciplinary action consisting of revocation of their certification of this recognition of license as a professional teacher. And also, this article was not followed by her.